I'm Jennie Rips. I'm a tea sommelier and the founder of Owl's Brew and Brew Lab Tea. Brew Lab makes tea locally for restaurants, some of the Stephen Starr restaurant group for everyone here. So here's what you need to know about tea. First of all, every tea that you know, black tea, white tea, green tea, oolong, is all from the same plant. The difference between those four teas is how long they're oxidized. Secondly, health benefits. Tea is rich in health benefits. For instance, it's anti-inflammatory, metabolism boosting, antibacterial. So all those things that you've heard about tea being good for you are really true for a lot of specific reasons. And thirdly, how long do you steep it for? There are certain rules, like you steep certain teas for a certain amount of time at certain temperatures, but I always tell my restaurant clients, less than 3 minutes and not boiling, and that's the way to make a perfect cup of tea. And finally, as the founder of a boozy tea company, you can spike it. So I hope you all drink your tea, drink it well, and spike it on occasion. Thank you.